In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a button to a section in Squarespace. If you want visitors to click a button and jump directly to a specific part of your page, Squarespace makes that possible with an anchor link. This is a great way to improve navigation, especially on longer pages where you want to guide people straight to a contact form, pricing area, or any featured section. To begin, go to the page and select the section you want to link to. This is the destination section, meaning the place your button or link text will take people when they click. Make sure you choose the correct section before moving on, since this is where the anchor link will be created. Once you've selected the section, click Edit Section. This opens the section settings where you'll find more options related to that specific area of the page. Inside these settings, look for the anchor link option. When you see it, click the copy icon next to it. This copies the section's anchor link so you can use it elsewhere on the page. Now that the anchor link has been copied, go to the text you want to turn into the link. In this example, you're selecting text, but the same idea applies if you're working with a button-style call to action in a text area. Choose the exact text you want people to click on. After that, highlight the text and click the link icon in the editing toolbar. This opens the link field where you can enter the destination. Paste the anchor link you copied earlier into that field. This tells Squarespace that when someone clicks the text, they should jump directly to that section. At this point, your link is connected to the section. This is a simple but very useful technique for creating smooth page navigation and making your site easier to use. It can also help draw attention to important content without forcing visitors to scroll manually. As a quick tip, it's always a good idea to test the link after pasting it. Click the linked text and make sure it scrolls to the correct section. If it doesn't, double check that you copied the correct anchor link and pasted it exactly as provided. And that's how to link a button or clickable text to a section in Squarespace. Once you get used to using anchor links, it becomes a fast and effective way to create a better user experience across your site.